under the second. How did he win?
He won up on it. Oh, he fucking sound the shit out of me.
I'm gonna go after this. Give me some time.
Is this like to make it to the next day or is this like the end?
This is the end.
So then I'm like,
We're probably done for today.
really?
Maybe one more, but I think we're done for today.
And
Because you want both. Keep behind! Head up! Hip up! Belly wizard! Belly wizard! Bulldog! Run it! Stay on top! Run him. Get you some! Stay low! He's tall! Take it down shot. Draw! Kick your leg back! Put your foot down! Head up! Hand fight! Up, up! Good! Fight the hands! Create space, create space! Again, 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 again! Fight the hands, pop the top! Pop the top! Use your elbow! Use your elbow to his fingers! It's all over here! Head up, Mario! You're gonna get away! Don't let him collect your hands. You're gonna get away. Hips! Hips! T-stomach!
so that guy's a bot. No,
head up!
I'm over here and your coach. Why are you putting Theo alone? You want to speak. You want him to smell you.
Watch the cradle. Come up. Oh! You're up. Ah! Stay behind, stay behind. Good job. Drive, drive, drive.
Come on, it's all over here. Come on.
Switch. Switch. Get your hand back. Up, you're up. Knee slide. Hit it, hit it. Up, up. 2 feet. Yep, face him. Again. Again. Head up, head up. Fight the hands and get up. Get away. Get your butt out to the right. Look where you're at. Up to your feet. Face him, face him, face him, face him, face him. Up on your feet. Get your feet. Get you one, get you some. Finish. Head up. Arm drive. Nothing. Up. Keep that. Face him. Face him. Double up. Turn into him. Elevate that leg. Elevate that leg. Head up. Head up. Double. Good. on, don't.
Why do you let him go?
I don't know. Okay, I gotta go to the next one.